So let me teach you a quick tip about sketches and how you can improve your sketches. Let's go. So I have a few things that I do when I gonna start to do my first sketch. So first you have to have a great idea, right? But a great idea is not just one idea. Let me show you. Here. Can you see that? I think that's the ugliest thing that you ever saw. But that's okay. Sometimes you have something in your mind and you think that idea is the one, and then you put it on paper and start to experiment with your other things, change the composition, and usually you will find a better idea than the first one that you thought of. So some people say that you need to like have 10 ideas. In college, in one class, we need to sketch like 30 thumbnails so we can draw just 2 finished illustrations. I don't think you need to do that much, but you do what's comfortable to you. So in my case, I choose this composition, and now here I noticed that this would be a one perspective kind of illustration. So I have just one vanishing point, which is here. So everything in my drawing will follow that perspective. So if you use a soft brush like I have here, this sketchbook pencil brush, then you have a very soft kind of way to express your ideas, and you can do look at this. Look, you don't understand shit of what I did here, but the important thing is that I put the idea down. I put the idea on the paper or on the screen in this case. So I could do it from the beginning and show you how I did this sketch, but this sketch is the most important part of the illustration. If I am filming and there's a light in my face and I have to worry about the recording, I never would achieve this kind of sketch if I'm paying attention in other things other than the illustration. So when you are doing sketch, of course you can listen to music or a podcast, but sometimes the better thing is silence. But in the stage that I am right now after I did this sketch, let me show you the other layers. In this phase of the illustration, I could, let me say, I don't need to pay so much attention to what I'm doing. I just, like, this is the fun part. It's the part when you paint, where you go a little crazy. That's the best part of the illustration, in my opinion. And the final part is also very cool because you put the light effects and everything. So people like to do the whole illustration in complete silence. And I totally understand that. But sometimes it gets a little boring and you have to work in such small details and small things like, look, the little holes of the bricks and like those things, the little metal thing that holds the pipe on the building, and like this flip-flop. So in this kind of boring parts, you can listen to music or a podcast, is what I do at least. But in the sketch phase, in my case, I never listen to anything. I just have the idea and put it down in complete silence. So I hope you enjoyed this little tip, and please comment, like, and subscribe, because this is free. I just give you some secret information for free. Peace. Flying above me, now comes back, and I'm going away. Bye.